cheeses in general is yes, the crust is so good, but the crust, like the Chick-fil-A crust is better than like even other crusts. Like my Twitter's fire. Guys, I think there's a chance, there's a small percentage chance, there's no guarantee. By the end of the day, I might have 100K on X. There's no guarantee, but by the end of the day, I might have 100K. I can't say for certain, but I might. Now, I did get 2 chicken strips because people are always like, you need protein. Like, you need protein. But guys, I'm honestly just not like I don't know, like, I'm not like a chicken, like, I don't know, like, I did the best I could. But yes, I'll try to take a couple bites. Not my favorite, but, okay. And then I also got Chick-fil-A sauce in case I eat the strips. And then, for the dessert, a frosted coffee. And a frosted coffee, if you didn't know, because I used to work at Chick-fil-A, so I can tell you, it is ice cream and coffee concentrate together. If you don't get Starbucks, but you need caffeine, this is the next best thing. This is really good. And when I don't belong, it's really good. Guys, when I worked at Chick-fil-A, I quite literally would drink these pretty much every day, especially when my morning shift, sometimes my morning shift would be like 6 a.m., sometimes 6 a.m., sometimes it'd be like 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 6 a.m., sometimes over this, so my, it doesn't overheat. It's pretty sunny out. Wait 1 second. You have found my identity. Oh, you say I am. It's a frosted coffee from Chick-fil-A. Guys, I have loved these drinks since I was 15 years old. Like, wait. Did it even come? Oh, and then they used to have the frosted sunrise, which was ice cream and orange juice. And that one was pretty good. But guys, the frosted coffee is just like the iconic one. They don't even have the frosted sunrise anymore. Thank you. They don't even have the sunrise. They only have the frosted coffee. Okay. Are we ready to dive in? Guys, while I was driving here, I took a couple sips of the frosted coffee and then I was like, man, I'm already full. And then I'm like, wait, I can't get full from the dessert. Like, I haven't even taken any bites of the mac. So we're gonna pace ourselves. The goal is to at least take a bite of everything. You know, that's the goal. Okay, so we're gonna start with the mac because that's the best part. It is a beautiful day. And I'm so excited to eat this. Butterflies for me. Okay, the top parts are the best because this is the crust. Crust and fry. This is about to be a good bite. Okay. That was what I needed. Another one? Oh, here, dragon. Eat. Dragon. Dragon, eat. eat a fry. I have to